The fires, mail-in voting, and of course the coronavirus, all now flashpoints in the campaign. According to a new ABC News Ipsos poll, only 35% of those asked approve of President Trump's handling over the pandemic. 65% disapprove. For the latest on the campaign, let's go to ABC's Andrew Dimbert in Washington, D.C. Andrew, good morning to you.
Good morning, Whit. It's really been a busy few days for the Trump team here, trying to clean up some of the president's remarks from the coronavirus to mail-in voting. All the while, his opponent, Joe Biden, unloading on President Trump, accusing him of lying to the American people. This weekend, President Trump heads out west to Nevada, holding another signature in-person rally with no social distancing and few in the crowd wearing masks.
The Democrats are trying to rig this election because it's the only way they're going to win.
It's a sharp contrast to opponent Joe Biden's stumping strategy. Biden has not had large crowds at his events due to coronavirus concerns and only recently started making more public appearances. The Democratic nominee wasting little time attacking Trump, calling his events reckless rallies. The Biden campaign also responding to a new Politico report alleging Trump officials are interfering with CDC reports, stating the administration has put political optics ahead of safety.
I wanted to always play it down. I still like playing it down.
Yes, sir.
Because I don't want to create a panic.
Biden also blasting Trump for this interview with Bob Woodward.
He said he just didn't want to worry people. Meantime, we're approaching 190,000 dead.
Trump trying to clarify those remarks by evoking World War II historical icon and British Prime Minister Winston Churchill, known for his inspiring speeches as a leader in the fight against Nazi Germany.
He always spoke with calmness. He said, we have to show calmness.
As the race for the White House hits the home stretch, Trump is also again facing backlash for his messaging on mail-in voting, after tweeting and urging voters in the critical battleground state of North Carolina to follow up at polling sites even after mailing in their ballots to vote again if they think their vote wasn't counted. Twitter flagging the president's tweet for violating its civic integrity policy. North Carolina Attorney General Josh Stein pointing out voting twice would be a felony, while urging voters to not do what the president directs. Now, voters in North Carolina can track their ballots online. As for those allegations of CDC interference, a spokesperson for the Department of Health and Human Services says that pandemic policy is driven by science. Eva?
Andrew, thank you.
Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.